just fixing up the things. Uh, Very good evening. So today we will discuss about polynomials. Yeah.
Yeah.
So any idea you have about polynomials?
I don't think I have any
Have you
idea.
done algebra? Have you done algebra before that?
I've done algebra.
Yeah. The algebra is basically where we have terms, coefficients, factors. Have you done all those?
Uh,
You would have.
I think yeah.
Correct, right? Okay. I'm sharing the whiteboards link.
Okay.
Yes. Sorry. Sometimes it doesn't write properly. One second. So they are so polynomial nothing what algebraic expressions like of this form 3x cube plus 5x plus 2, right? Or these form where your coefficient of or the where these are the terms, right?
Yeah.
These terms are made up of you have a coefficient here, the constant factor, you have the variable factors, right? This term is made up of 3x x, right?
Yeah.
This term is made up of 5 and x, right? And
Yeah.
this one is made up is just 2, right? So these are known as the factors. These are known as the factors of the term, right? And these were the
Okay.
terms. What are the terms over here? We have 3x here, right? We have
Yeah.
5x and we have 2. And these terms are made up of factors which we just discussed here, right? So when these terms are joined together with mathematic operators like plus and the minus signs, that becomes a expressions. Okay, that becomes algebraic expressions. So this one is one algebraic expression, right? When you put
Yeah.
them equal to 0, that becomes algebraic equation. So equation you should have an equal to sign, right?
Okay.
And for expression just be like that. For example, let's take another example, or you give me another example of algebraic expression.
Uh.
Yeah,
Uh.
anything which is coming up in your mind. For example, 4x cube or 5x cube, 4x cube minus 3x cube plus 2x minus 3, right?
Yeah.
So this is one of the algebraic expression which has how many terms? 4 terms, right?
Yeah.
These terms are separated by these signs, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. 4x cube has 4x, x, x as the factors. Can you tell me the factors of this term, Olivia?
3
Very
x
good. 3,
x x.
very good. 3xx. Similarly, 2 and x and all. These are known as the factors, and these were the terms, right? And when these terms are joined together with plus and negative signs, that becomes an algebraic expression, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me some another algebraic expression? Anything which is coming up in your mind?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
2x squared
2x
minus
square. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
4x
Minus 4x.
uh,
Yeah. uh,
plus
Plus
um 3x.
plus 3. 3x. If you write another one similar, right? This will combine. These are the like terms, right?
Yeah.
So this will become 2x cube minus x. Okay. So if you keep it till here also, this is also algebraic expression. You have two terms here, right?
Yeah.
And they are joined together through plus and minus. This is another algebraic expression, right?
Yeah.
Algebraic expression. As I just told you, if you put them equal to 0, that becomes equation, right? Not only equal to 0, it can be equal to 3, equal to anything. Okay, that becomes algebraic equation. Yeah, these algebraic expressions will become polynomials. These algebraic expressions will become polynomials, or you can treat them as polynomials if some conditions are met. Okay,
Okay.
I think this word is not new for you. You would have heard about this name, polynomials, right?
I think I've heard it before.
Okay, so all these expressions will be termed as polynomials if some conditions are met. What are those conditions? I'll take it a screenshot from the notes to explain you.
Okay.
Yes, these are the conditions. So what are the conditions is no negative powers. So you can have any algebraic expression, but that algebraic expression will, if satisfy these conditions, will become polynomials. Okay, the no negative powers, no decimal powers, no fractional powers. It should be any whole numbers.
Okay.
The exponents shouldn't be fractional, decimal, and negative. Make sense? It should only be whole numbers.
Okay.
Another thing is there shouldn't be any square roots or cube roots on variables. No skew
Okay.
roots on variables. Fractional power we just discussed. No variables in the denominator. There shouldn't be any variables in the denominator. Okay. And no variables multiplied with each other. Like we have xy, xyz, ab, a square b. There shouldn't be any variables multiplying with each other. For example, if I have a, one second, let me delete this. I'll take one example, okay, from the notes,
Okay.
and then we'll see. Yeah, you have written it down, right? All the conditions to be polynomials, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me which one among these are polynomials?
Mm,
Check your notes and check this. Is the first one a polynomial?
mm, no.
Why?
Because it says square roots.
Very good. This one, because of this algebraic expression failed the condition to be polynomial, right? Very
Yeah.
nice. Next one.
It's not a polynomial.
Even the second one is not a polynomial.
Yeah, it's
Why?
not.
Why?
Because the
Because
because the very
hmm so you have the conditions, right? Which condition is not satisfying?
um mm, maybe it is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial because here
Um,
nothing as such which it's not satisfying. It has uh, you know the whole number as an exponent. No variables are getting multiplied. There's no variable in the denominator, right? And
yeah.
no square roots and cube roots. So this is fine. The next one,
Um, it's not a polynomial
okay, why?
because the variable in the denominator.
Super buddy. Because of this doesn't satisfy the condition. The next one,
It's not a polynomial
yes, why?
because the fraction is power.
Hmm, you can say fractional power, right? Super. You have understood the condition. Let's take some more examples. Yeah.
Okay.
Good one. Yes.
Oh, so the first one is not a polynomial
Okay. Very nice. Why?
because the variables in the
The
denominator.
denominator. Yes. Very nice. Next one.
Um, the second one is a polynomial.
hmm Very nice.
And,
What about the third one?
um, it is a polynomial.
Go with the conditions. What are the conditions?
Oh wait, no, it's not a polynomial
Why?
because of the power.
Yes, the decimal power, right?
Yeah.
And the next one?
Uh, it's not a polynomial.
Yes, because of the square root, right?
Yeah.
Super buddy. Let's take some more.
Okay.
Once we are done, we'll revise once. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Um,
hmm
the first one is a polynomial.
Yes. Very nice.
The second one is also a polynomial.
Correct.
The third one is also a
Why do you think the
polynomial.
second one is a polynomial?
Um, because it follows all the.
But we just discussed, right? There shouldn't be any variables multiplied with each other.
Oh,
Correct, right?
yeah.
So this will not satisfy the condition to be a polynomial. This algebraic expression is not satisfying the condition to be a polynomial, right? Because the
Okay.
variables are getting multiplied with each other. Okay? Same is
Okay.
over here too. xy. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Next.
The fourth one is not a polynomial.
Correct. Because of the square root, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
The fifth one is not a polynomial.
Mm-hmm.
The sixth one is not a polynomial.
Correct.
The seventh one is not a polynomial
Yes. Why? Because.
because the variable is the denominator.
Correct. Next one.
And the eighth one is also not a polynomial.
Yes. Because
And because of the variable in the denominator.
denominator. Super buddy. Yes. Next.
And the tenth one is not a polynomial.
Why do you think that?
Uh,
Mm-hmm. This is what we discussed so far, right? Hmm. Why do you think that this one is not a polynomial?
actually, I think it is a polynomial
Okay. Now, why do you think it's a polynomial?
because the square root is not over a variable or
Super,
anything.
super. Yes. Because we have discussed that square root of the variable, right? It's not a
Yeah,
variable. Square root can be there, it's fine, but it shouldn't be on the variable, right? Hmm.
yeah.
Next one.
Uh, it's not a polynomial.
Correct.
Next
Hmm.
one, not a polynomial.
Why next one is not a polynomial?
Oh, wait, it is a
It's
polynomial.
a constant polynomial. Okay.
Yeah.
Root 7 is a constant polynomial. Hmm.
Okay.
Next.
Um, the next one is a polynomial.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Um, the next one
Mm-hmm.
is also a polynomial.
Yes, correct. There's also a polynomial. Mm-hmm.
The next one is not a polynomial.
Mm, I think it's on Y also. Yes, correct. Yeah,
The next one is not a polynomial.
because
It's the
variable in
variable
the
in the
denominator. Hmm, correct. Mm-hmm.
and the next one is not a polynomial.
Same reason, right? Hmm.
Yeah.
The last one
It's it it is a polynomial.
is a polynomial. It's a constant polynomial, just like root 7, what we discussed,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So, what we discussed today, Olivia, can you summarize?
We discussed about polynomials.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, we discussed about algebraic expressions first. So, algebraic expressions will be a combination of terms, right?
Yeah.
And if this expression is equal to something, then it becomes algebraic equation, right? All
Yeah.
algebraic expressions or equations will not satisfy to be polynomials, right? Only the ones which satisfy these five conditions will be termed as polynomials, right? And
Yeah.
what we have learned that there shouldn't be any negative powers in any of the algebraic expression or equations, right?
Yeah.
There shouldn't be
Yeah.
any square root, there shouldn't be any fractional powers, shouldn't be any decimal powers, there shouldn't be any variables multiplying with each other, and there shouldn't be any variable in the denominator. If all these conditions are met by any algebraic equation or expression, then those will be termed as polynomials, right? And we also took some examples, and now we are good with it, right? We are good with the concept, isn't it?
Yeah.
We took in enough examples, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that examples makes our concept even more stronger, isn't it? Any
Yeah.
doubts you have, Olivia?
No.
We are all good, right?
Yeah.
Super, buddy. Okay, so what we can do is we can learn about now factoring of the polynomials. Okay, that will cover this in the next topic, the factoring of polynomials. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.